Good morning, guys. Let's put the lights a little bit more of a mood. Happy Friday. Good morning. Happy to see everybody on here today. Ready to kill it. We've had a really good week. Looking forward to continuing to build off of that. Almost got that 25K account all said and done. Need about $177 more. Man, we got the ES pushing here to 4115. That 4115 through 4120 zone is a resistance area on this ES. We could see a little pullback away from that level. Let's see what happens. Let's see what happens here as the bell rings and the day gets started. The beast, the beast, man. The Discord like robo mod thing over there said you were posting too fast. That thing doesn't like you, bro. Oh god. Dan, what's going on, man? Good morning, good morning. Oh crap. That bot, bro, it doesn't like you, man. Anytime you do something, it's just there. It's watching you. You got its eyes now. All right, guys. So 4115 holding a little bit of resistance on the SPY there. I mean, on the ES. 171.50 holding Apple down some. You got the SPY up and over 408. That's a key level right now, and it's holding a support. We could see a little run on the SPY today. If we get through 4120 on the ES, I will be watching for pullbacks into that level for support. And if it holds support, I will be looking for longs. Wow. Wow. Right to 4120, guys. Wow. Look at the move on the SPY. Wow. Beast already long? Where'd it go? Were you long before 9:30 or did you get long here at the bell? Does anybody else let their batteries just pile up before you put them to charge? Wow, man. Nice. Nice. Good job, dude. Guys, sign up for the free watch list. No spam. Just meat and potatoes. Link in chat. Meat and potatoes. Watching, I mean, that 4120 zone, but this whole area here, 4118, 4115, that could all be a support zone. So I'm watching for pullbacks to see if they hold support into 4115. 4120 is a resistance area. So far the SPY trying to hold that VWAP there at 4409. It'd be cool if it chops a little bit, maybe it then pulls right back into the low 408 zone, 408.50 area, whatever, right in here, and holds, kind of giving us a little bit of a double bottom setup. The beast, I was gonna be like, damn man, it's 9:36 a.m. It's too early for that. But then I remembered it's probably like 10 o'clock over there, isn't it? Probably crazy late. $11:30. I was pretty damn close for not having a clue. Guys, if you missed yesterday's rant on the mortgage, on the new mortgage fees policies that Biden put in place, I recorded the video and I posted it up on the channel. Here you go. There's the link in chat. Market stalling out a little bit here in front of 4120. I wouldn't get short here for nothing in the world, but I can't get long because I'm hoping we get a deeper pullback. So, you know, even if we push towards 4135, then I'll really be chomping at the bit for a pullback into 4120. If we really want to be exact, we're talking about 4118. That's the area we're holding now, but a little bit too tight. Like we haven't really broken that level, truthfully. We got to 4125 and then pulled back into 4118. That's not much when you're talking about the ES. I'd rather see just a break through that level, push 4130s, then pull back into 4118, 4120. Right now we're bull flagging here. Good volume on the bull flag setup here. But like I said, it's just way too tight of an area right now. In this case here, if we don't hold 4115, then I have to say I'd watch for a pull back into 4100 zone. Exactly, I'm not. That's why we need to push to 4130 before I get happy about a pullback to 4120. And I want to see big volume on it too. On the push. Looks like it wants it. Oh, right back to the highs there. Volume really light there. All right, there you go. New highs. Really need that volume to start picking up. That little bull flag worked out nicely. Would have been good for a scalp. Maybe I should have taken it for the scalp since all I really need is a scalp. Be right back, guys. And back. Magic. I'll tell you what. And look at this. I click live. I don't know, man. I feel like I should have more than 232 people watching me right now. Now watch. If it gets boring, watch. We'll just roll in the VCR with the TV like they used to do back in school, and we'll watch this. We'll watch the best scenes, the best moments from The Office.
Is your cat getting too cool? Give him new Temptations dry cat food.
For about $1 a week, you get more than just a toe.
How many commercials does this thing have?
Become a AAA member.
If that song doesn't make you happy, I don't know what would. We've gotten the push to 4130, so I will be watching for that pullback into 4120, 4118 area. Where else can you trade and watch The Office?
Today, smoking is gonna save lives.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Fire! Oh, fire! Oh my goodness! What's the procedure? What do we do, people?
The phones are dead.
Oh, how did that happen?
It's out in the hall.
No, we don't know that. The smoke could be coming through an air duct. Oh my god! Okay, it's happening. Everybody stay calm.
What's the
Everybody
procedure,
stay calm.
everyone? What's the procedure?
Stay calm!
Wait.
Everybody calm down! No, Michael, no! Touch the handle. If it's hot, there could be a fire in the hallway.
What does warm mean?
Not a viable option. What next?
What the beast?
Check that.
Unacceptable. You must become a member of the channel now.
Another option. Okay, settle down, everyone. No tension. Come on.
Leave it, woman.
Get out of the way. Go. No, things can be replaced, Phyllis. People, human lives, however, can...
All right, back to work. We could literally watch The Office now as like a team building exercise. All right, so the SPY reaching 410 already. I love it. I hope the SPY gets bullish as crap. I want to see the SPY get back to 420. I can get puts for a long-term swing for some downside. Yeah, when I'm not streaming, I do too. I usually have YouTube videos. Like lately, I've been watching videos because we're gonna get another dog, a new dog for my kid. Not now, but probably in the fall. So I've been watching videos on golden doodles because Jonal has one for his kid, and it's a big dog. That's not a little dog. And that sucker was like, bro, my kid played when he came down here about 2 weeks ago. My kid played with that dog for almost a whole day. It was amazing. She loved it. So I've been learning about that. I've also been learning about leopard geckos because that's how ADD works. So yeah, And then the periodic fishing and gun video as well. If we start getting recession scares and more bank failures, yes, Dan. You know, the beast, every damn dog's expensive now, man. It used to be back in the day with $500, you go get yourself a good, you know, purebred dog. No more, man. Those days are gone. Any dog is like $2,000. And I said damn dog, so now I'm sure someone's going to get all offended out there on YouTube land. I don't care. I love dogs. But that's how I talk. I like animals, period. I've had everything that, I mean, within reason. I've had chameleons when I was a kid, had dogs, cats, birds galore, parrots, little smaller birds, like lovebirds and cockatiels. Fish, oh my God, I've had so much fish, it's crazy. Everything. From just regular South American tetras to F1 frontosas from imported from Africa. It's crazy, bro. I've had so much. It's insane. I had the saltwater tank, a little one for a while. I had a big one for a while too. Well, I mean, big one, 120 gallons. But that one got wrecked when I was down in the Keys on vacation because we lost power here after a storm. Was it power, Jesse, or was it when the AC broke? I don't know. It was one of those two. And just the tank couldn't survive. All hobbies are expensive. All hobbies are expensive. That's why they're hobbies. Fishing is expensive. Guns are expensive. Pets are expensive. Traveling is expensive. Building model airplanes, I've never done it, is expensive. Cycling is expensive. Instruments are expensive. Golf is expensive. I don't like golf. Tennis is expensive. Everything, anything that is a hobby is expensive. Living is damn expensive these days. Kids are expensive. Everything's expensive these days, but hobbies have always been expensive. I mean, there's some hobbies that are less expensive than others, you know? But then again, you can make them as expensive as you want. Like, you could be like, oh, I'm going to collect Hot Wheels. That's a hobby. They're 99 cents at the store. But then if you want to get something that you can't find at the store, you know, you got to find it from a scalper online. You're going to pay $50, a few $100 even. I once sold a Hot Wheel. It was a $20 Hot Wheel for about $500. Hustle with Jesse. I kept it clean there, and that's just old habits. I really wanted to say hustle with Jesse, bitches. Yeah, it's just sitting there. That's why I'm talking mad crap here. I hope it's not one of those sideways trading days and it just goes, man. It seems like that's how it's been lately, and that seems like what it's about to do. And I don't want to jump in there on a sideways little flag. I don't want to. Next resistance zone really isn't until the 30 zone there where we're at. We're right at it. I cannot in good faith get long in front of that resistance zone. We're so close to it. We're 2 points away from it. Where do I get that resistance zone from? Put you a line right here real quick on the hourly chart and I'll show you. I get that from right here. Boom. Support back here. Support here. Support here. And we're right in front of it. We're right in front of it. We're 2-3 points away from it. There's no way I could get long there. Look at the SPY. This is a line that I drew a while back. Previous support, previous support, previous support. Clear as day. We're at it. What do we know about previous support when broken to the downside? What can it become, guys? Resistance. There's no way in the world I can, in good faith and feel confident, get long here on this little mini bull flag when we're 2-3 points away from the resistance zone. Get that T, Dan. Yeah, Dan. I mean, the beast. Hell yeah, man. I was just thinking this morning, I gotta tell my old man so we can go maybe next week. I thought about yesterday, I thought about taking today off, but I was like, nah, I want to hit it so I can try to get this account done so I can go back to focusing on the 250K one. I'm really hoping we can get a decent enough pullback to get long. Oh, there we go. Starting to get that pull in. Yeah, 4130 is going to be a tough zone. I mean, look, honestly, I want to see this market rip face off because I want to see it get back to I want to see the SPY back at 420 so I can get puts for later this year. Damn, attendance is low today. If 4120 don't hold, being out the office again. Yeah, really low today. Hit the like button, guys. Hit the like button, like the B says. Help me grow this channel more. Telling you guys, it's straight up for me. If by the fall or end of the year this channel's not where I want it to be, I think I'm gonna retire from YouTube. I might throw up a video once in a blue moon just to keep the channel alive, make that change. But I'm at that point. We have a long weekend this weekend? No. Do we? Wait a second. No. Yeah, we don't. The market's closed on May 29th for Memorial Day. Made me go over here to nysc.com, look at market hours calendar. Yeah, we don't have anything until May 29th. May 29th, then July 4th, then September 4th, then November 23rd, and then Christmas. There's a coronation in the UK tomorrow. Got it. Well, I don't think that's going to mess with the market today. Oh, Dan, it has arrived. All right, that looks good. Yeah. It's really, really hot right now. So we got SPY at VWAP. We got the ES at 4123 zone. I might start to scale in. And by might, I mean I'm scaling in. Hold the stop a little tight on this one. Oof, there's a lot of contracts at 25. Damn it. Don't make me work. Sipping on my coffee. Oh, a lot of contracts at 26. A lot. There we go. Good stuff, guys. We've officially made it to the goal. And this account is now en route to get funded. If I can get this one more fill, that'll really set a nice cushion. And then I just got to maintenance this sucker for a few days. Congratulations, team. I'm going to close it right there. And that gives us $26,557.34. So got myself like a $57 cushion on there. And what I'll do now on this is I'll probably just trade MES on it. I'll probably just trade MES on it moving forward, but it'll be during Globex, meaning I will not be trading this account again on YouTube because there's no point. Now it's just going to be for me to maintain this thing. I got $50 there. I just got to trade this account actively for another 7 days. So Sunday morning, Sunday morning, Sunday evening, I will trade this account. I'll come in, I'll trade one MES in and out, done. And then I'll just progressively do that every single day for the remaining 10 days or, well, 7 days, whatever I need, 6 days at that point. I don't know. I'll check the math later today. And that's it. This account will be funded and it'll be a live trading account there, $25,000 account. So I'll have the $25,000 and the $50,000 account. Cheers. Now, we're going to work on the $250,000 account and the $150,000 account for the remainder of the month. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, Dan. Appreciate it, guys. So yeah, 26,557 and 34 cents. So we got plenty of room there. Net P&L today of $229.54. 2 contracts, just in and out, quick scalp. All needed $177, so we surpassed that. And now I have that little cushion. I mean, that should be more than enough, especially if I just trade that one MES. I'm done with it. Like it. And that was a good setup, guys. Exactly the setup we were talking about. I said, I'm going to watch. What did I say? I mean, I said this, right? And maybe it's my fault. Maybe if I market it harder, I'd sell more courses. But what did I say? This is what I said yesterday. It goes back to exactly what I said yesterday. I said, the people who do this stuff live and give you levels and you see the levels before your eyes, bro, like work out, and you see them take trades off of these levels, those are the people that you can get some good valuable information from. I said, guys, I'm going to be watching for a move to 41.30. When we hit 41.30, I want to see a pullback into those 41.20s, 41, even 41.18. I started to scale in, picked it up. We ran it from 41.22 area where it bounced off of. This thing went all the way back to 41.30. There's plenty of room there for points to make some profit on, right? Plenty of room. Now, I'm not going to be crazy. I'm not going to hold on to this all the way through looking for a 41.30 breakout. I'm going to scale out of it, right? And if 41.30 holds resistance and I've taken profits along the way, I'm comfortable to hold maybe one runner. Now, obviously, I'm not in anything now because I was just for one goal here, meet that profit target and be done. But I'd have at least one runner here, right? To see if I could get through 41.30. If I could get through 41.30, I'd probably take off the next piece or get flat anywhere between 41.35 and 41.40. Anywhere in there is good, in my opinion anyways. So see, these are the levels. We talked about them before it even happened. That's when you know. Lewis, I am trading with the prop firm. Here, I'll get you the link. If you want to trade with them, you use my coupon code, you'll get the best available discount at this time. Oh, Dan, you still have a runner? Yes. That's what's up. Yes, that's how it's done, guys. You have a runner. Let that runner now work. Remember, if you're down to your runner, that means you already got paid for being right. That runner, that's just the bonus money. You can hold the stop on it at break even. You can put a trailing stop on it. You've often seen me, I put a trailing stop on the runner, right? Usually it's a mental trailing stop, or I just put a hard stop and I drag it on the chart. But if you get through 41.30, you got room there to 41.35, 41.40 if the volume is strong enough. So that's perfect. Now you get that runner, you throw a trailing stop on that sucker, you get under 41.26, you cut it loose. You cut it loose. It's worth the risk, right? There you go. You got through 41.30 for a split second there. I saw 41.30.25s. My pleasure, Lewis. Any questions at all, man? Don't hesitate. There you go, 41.20, 41.50s, 41.30.50s. There you go. Nice. Now we want to see that volume increase. I would like to see that volume now. This volume right here, this volume bar, I want to see it surpass these. I would like to see it up here, if anything. Up here like this one. Damn, good day, man. I'm really pumped up. I mean, it's not a huge account, but I'm gonna use it for swing trading. I'm happy to get that little account set up and ready to rock. All right, let me switch this over to the $250,000 account. Maybe we'll get a trade on that one. We can start working on that one. Now, remember, this one that I have here, it's got nearly $5,000 in profit on it. So I need a little bit over $10,000 to pass. And this one expires next week, Friday. I'm also about $4,000 away from my trailing drawdown on it. So I'll be frank with you. Unless I get an amazing entry and I'm in good size and it works out, I'd expect this account to probably blow up on Monday. I'm gonna be frank, because I can't step in here and be like, oh, I'm just gonna take 3 contracts on it, or I'm just gonna take 4 contracts. There's no way I'm gonna do that and make the goal by next week Friday before it expires, because it expires on the 12th, and if I'm not mistaken, that's Friday. Let me see. Yeah. So I don't even know, man. I might even have to get this done by Thursday. It's too tight. I'd have to get lucky. On it. I really thought I was going to nail that one, but a couple of bad trades on it, or a couple of red trades, really. It wasn't bad trades. There's just a couple of red trades on it. Knocked my profit down. I was up 7,000 and change on it. Now I'm only up 5,000. 4,890 or something like that. What is it? 4,870. So it's like I said, I'd have to get in here full size on this one on my next trade if it's a good setup, and then it has to work out for me, and my trailing stop cannot hit, meaning I can't even have a 4-point pullback on it. That's going to be difficult as crap to accomplish, but we'll see what we can do. Either way, it won't matter, because I still want to hit up the 250K or the 150K account, and I got I think like 3 150K ones and 4 250K ones that don't expire until the end of the month, if I'm not mistaken. I know the 250K, 4 of those don't expire until the end of the month. So I should have a good opportunity there. But again, I'll only have 2 weeks to get it passed. You got to understand, bro. That's no easy feat. You're talking about $15,000 in 2 weeks with a trailing drawdown. That trailing drawdown is what's gotten me. I haven't blown up an account there like, oh my God, the account blew up. Both of these 250K ones blew up with, well, this one hasn't blown up. The last one blew up with $4,626.94 in profit in it. It blew up with profit because the auto liquidation threshold bit me. So that's the only risk that I'd have, but I have to be aggressive because after next week, I only have 2 weeks to pass those. And inside of those 2 weeks, oh my God. Inside of those 2 weeks, I'm going to be traveling to Tennessee. And I think I have 2 weekdays there. I'm going to have to download this platform to my trading platform. I don't want to do that, man. I don't want to take the trading platform on the plane. I don't trust those baggage people, man. Not that they're gonna steal it or anything, but they don't treat luggage very nicely. Golly, I'm gonna have to do my math and math it very well. Because it's on top of all that, I don't mind missing 2 days, but on top of all that, you gotta trade 10 days on them. That's why I have to keep trading on this $25,000 account a little bit longer. Well, I guess I could do it. If I if I make up for it with Sunday trading, and I do get back on a Sunday, okay, I can make up for it. I can make up for it because I can trade on Sunday the 14th and I can trade on Sunday the 21st. I think I can make up for it. I think I can do it. Charles, I am on every morning, Monday through Friday, from 9:15 a.m. to about 10:30, 11 o'clock, depending on how the action's going and how much we're conversating. You guys get me talking sometimes, and I'll be here talking for a while. So thank you for watching, man. Thank you for watching. I've been trading now for about 7 years, and I have 2 funded accounts. Plus, I trade my own money. And that's pretty much it. I got courses and stuff. Gee, Jesse, don't market too hard. Oh, crap. Guys, Jonal's not even on today because Jonal is taking the U-Haul back after he moved to the new house. If he would have been on here, he would have been texting me like, "Oh, Jesse, don't market too hard, my guy." I got courses and stuff. Man, I hope you guys laugh at that nonsense of mine. Yeah, I'm a trader, not an English teacher, so I will say things that sometimes aren't grammatically correct. Dan says, and stuff. It's Friday, guys. My boy's out there finishing up detailing my boat. Mechanic was supposed to come today to service the other boat. We might be selling that one. That one I own with Jonal. And since Jonal decided to move 5 hours away, I was like, yeah, man, we're probably better off selling this thing because I ain't driving 5 hours to drop off the boat. I was like, yo, we can split it like a child in a custody battle. You can take it 6 months out of the year and I'll take it the other 6 months. But I ain't driving 6 hours to drop off the boat or pick it up, sucker. You moved away. And he was like, oh, you pay the gas. I was like, no. But yes, of course I would. But yeah, we're going to try selling it first because it's a lot of hassle. Now, my boat is my boat. Ain't nobody else on that one. The little boat, I own it with Jonah. We split that one. Charles, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. That way you're alerted when I go live. I'll be back on Monday at 9:15 a.m. I'm not going anywhere right now. Waiting for a pullback, seeing if we can get another little trade in. Market got a 9 EMA VWAP cross to the upside on the SPY. So it's definitely looking saucy. Not at anything now, guys. Just that one trade for me. 1 for 1 today. But how about yesterday, huh? 1 for 3 yesterday and still pulled out a very nice green day. Respectable on that account. That's risk management, guys. This volume's slowing down a lot. Right this morning. You know, I'm getting old, man. I gotta get up in the morning and do stretches. We've been working out. My wife and I. We got the gym in the garage. I got some really good like commercial grade equipment that I bought way back, like in 2011, 2012, something like that. Little gyms. Back then when the economy was hot, there was a ton of little gyms in the area that did like private training. So it was really, really small gyms. They all went out of business. So I started buying up equipment and I outfitted my garage. I've sold some pieces of equipment over the years that I haven't used as much as I thought I would. I still have one that I won't sell. So we've been working out there. But I'm telling you, man, gotta get up in the morning and do stretches. I don't want to do stretches. Not because they hurt. I just don't have patience to stretch. But I have to start stretching. I really do. I get tight as hell. Yo, Charles, you're the MVP of the day, my man. Thank you very much for subbing. All right, guys, we're just trading sideways up here right now on the ES. I'm not too interested in that, so I'm going to give it some time. Do not worry. I'm not about to go over here and put the office on again. Although, I could if you want me to. That was funny, man. I didn't even think we could do something like that. I'm like kind of pumped to do stuff like that now. Whoa. That was my phone.
The more people that use the same trading system, the less effective it becomes. You know that. So listen, if you developed a super profitable system, would you throw it up on YouTube for thousands of people to copy? Seriously, would you? Because if you know anything about trading, you know how absurd that would be. There's absolutely no way you're going to throw your baby under the bus like that. There'd be absolutely no reason to. So there's no way you're going to learn a successful trading strategy from YouTube. So you may as well save all that time and stop looking for it right now. Tell me I'm wrong. You see, we're on the same page here. This just doesn't add up. If you want a successful strategy, you've got to be one of a limited number of people who know that strategy. Then the question is, how do you become one of those people? How do you access that restricted information that's so valuable? And the answer, of course, is not very easily. You have to find a way to be invited in from the outside. I'll show you how to get yourself invited into such a privileged group in my free class, where I'm going to break this whole thing down for you. I'll show you where to go, what to do, and how to present yourself as someone worthy of learning the secret strategies that I use today to run a successful trading business. Just click the link or button around this video. It will take you to a page where you can register for the class, where I'll show you the secret that took me decades to uncover. It's changed my life and hundreds of others too. I look forward to seeing you there.
Sorry, guys, I was answering a quick little email there. Since Joel's gone, I'm manning our customer service email. Yo, Ralph, good morning. Leonidas, what's up, man? Guys, if you're just tuning in, we passed the 25K account this morning, so that one is going to be funded in a few days. I got to still trade in it, I think another 7 days or something like that. But I'll just be doing it in Globex, small MES, managing the risk, just maintaining the account active for those 10 trading days, so then I could just get it funded and be done with it. But yeah, we surpassed the goal. Goal is 26,000. We got to 26. Well, the goal is 26,500. We got to 26,550 something, and I was like, all right, that's it. Boop, done. We got to 26,550 something, and I was like, all right, that's it. Boop, done. Let's see if we get a pullback again here. Oh, Bill coming through. Yo. Bill coming through. That's crazy, man. Guys, the Bill just gave you all. Bill just gave you all memberships to the channel for a month. Again, he did that like a month ago or 2 months ago, something like that. Yeah, I think he did that like 2 months ago, and now he did it again. That's really nice, man. Thank you very much. Appreciate you. Oh, thank you, bro. Appreciate it. So yeah, the way that works is he puts it out there, and then the system, like YouTube, just poof, gives it to everybody who's like active. No, Vitali, no, I'm not. I'm not with Apex. Here you go. Put link in chat here for you. That's where I'm at. Here you go. Put link in chat here for you. That's where I'm at. Yo, Bill, you're the man. MVP. Another MVP for this morning. Yo, Bill, you're the man. Adriana, good morning. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Adriana, good morning. Thank you very much. Appreciate it. Dane, what's up, my man? So there you go, guys. That's what we did. I mean, hey, that was really fast too. I didn't even think of it. It was a 25K one, so I felt like it was an easy one. But, you know, I shouldn't say that because it might be easy for me. But if you're brand new, yo, getting that 25K one funded is not easy, especially with that trailing drawdown. So don't let it fool you. Just because I did it in what, 2 days, I mean, when you round up 24-hour periods, it's 2 days. It took me 2 days to get that one funded. Doesn't mean you're gonna go buy a 25K one and get it funded in 2 days or in 4 days or in 10 days or even in 30. Right? That's why I tell everybody, go through the course, get your account, pick an account, and then just when you go through the course, work on it. It's little by little. Remember, you have to understand. I did that one in 2 days. I have 7 years of literally sitting here every day. As a matter of fact, yesterday I was going through my pictures, and guys, you remember, I wasn't joking, man. You guys remember when I told you that I used to paper trade on pen and paper? Let me see if I can find it again. My album. I have over 3,000 pictures and videos on this thing. They're all of my kid. And fishing. Let me see if I can find it again. This is the second time I find it. Next time I find it, I'm gonna just screenshot it so it's like at the bottom of my camera roll. Next time I find it, I'm gonna just screenshot it so it's like at the bottom of my camera roll. Nice, Ralph. Good stuff, man. Nice, Ralph. Good stuff, man. Hold on, guys. I have to be able to find this again, man. Hold on, guys. I have to be able to find this again, man. Okay, I think I'm getting close. Just by looking at the pictures, I know where I was at life in the moment. And I think I'm getting close to those early trading years. I want to show you guys this, man. I really do. And I mean, look, simulated trading existed. I just didn't know it existed at that time. So I paper traded on pen and paper. By watching the chart, watching level 2, watching time and sales. By watching the chart, watching level 2, watching time and sales. Hey, Charles, give me a second and I'll help you with that right now. Vitali, no, because I have 2 accounts. Now I have one that's officially funded. The other one I just got today, but one is a $50,000 account. The other one's a $25,000 account. So there's no point in me using Copy Trader because I cannot take the same risk on both accounts. The $25,000 account I will be using for swing trading because you can swing trade where I'm at. Oh, I think I found it. No, I don't even know what this is. It's some chicken scratch. Come on, man. Where is it? Oh, guys, you want to see a picture of my old mining unit where I used to mine crypto? Oh, guys, you want to see a picture of my old mining unit where I used to mine? There you go. My old miner. Man, I'll tell you, some of the most fun I ever had was mining crypto like that. I don't know if the beast is on here if you saw that, but I'm going to take a screenshot of it and show it to him later. All right. One more second here. Where is it? One more second here. Hey, Charles, don't even hesitate. Hold on 1 second because I got a coupon code for you too. I want you to save a few bucks. Charles, don't even hesitate. Hold on 1 second because I got a coupon code for you too. I want you to save a few bucks. I'm going to post it for everybody. I want you to save a few bucks. I'm going to post it for everybody. Oh, wait, I think I got it. Oh, wait, I think I got it. All right, I'm going to take a screenshot of it because I got to reverse it. All right, I'm going to take a screenshot of it because I got to reverse it. There we go. It's all discombobulated. There we go. You guys got to see this. I don't even know what stock's on here. I can't wait to see it again. You guys got to see this. Oh, I don't have the ticker on it. I don't have the ticker on it, guys. But it's all good. Look at this. Come on, focus. Look at that, guys. That's paper trading back in the day on paper, pen and paper, right? That's how I started. Look at this thing, bro. 1,000 shares at 901. Sold 500 shares at 925. Sold 500 shares at 890. So I took a loss on 500. So I made 120 bucks on the first 500 shares sold, and then I lost 55 bucks on the next 500 shares sold. So $65 profit. And that's how I was practicing and learning to trade. Charles, I got you, my man. Give me 1 second here. Let me post you the link. Are you trying to do the futures course, or are you trying to do the full curriculum? If you're just trying, guys, if you just want the futures course, I got you. Because this coupon code is still working, and it'll drop the price to 240 some odd dollars. If you want to do the full curriculum, then there's no code on that one now, but you do get the futures course on there. We just added it a couple weeks ago. Just let me know what it is you're trying to get. Adam, no, Adam killing me here, man. He putting my age out there. Adam's like, on YouTube years ago, Jesse did not even have white on his beard. That's experience. Can you believe that, bro? A good buddy of mine, really good friend of mine, he's a year younger than I am, but he's got white hair on his head. I might not have a whole lot of hair left, but I don't have white hair on my head. Bro, believe it or not, I used to have awesome hair. Friggin' hate it. I hate that it's gone. I used to have awesome hair. If you go on my Instagram, you could probably see old pictures, like really old pictures maybe. I showed one the other day from when I was 2001 with my Trans Am. Vitali, one thing that I was thinking about was, once I'm done messing around with these challenges that I have going on, my challenges were how quickly my challenges were how quickly could I pass the evaluation on the $25,000, $150,000, and $250,000 accounts. The $25,000 one I did in 2 days. All right, I'm gonna go after the 150 and the 250. After I do all that, I'm gonna pick one account, maybe the 50K or maybe one of the bigger ones. I don't know yet, and I'm gonna go after it and pass it so that I can have two of the same accounts. Then I'm gonna go and look into the trade copier so I can do both of those together at once. I'm going to try that out because it sounds fun. Oh, that's the free course. Yeah, that's the free course. That should work. I mean, somebody signed up for it yesterday. I had like 2 people sign up for it yesterday. All you got to do is put your name and email for the free course. Here, hold on. Okay, so when you click that one, this is what it should pop up to. And then you put your name. Joe Schmo and an email address, and you should be good to go. It's probably because of this, unless, oh no, look, it worked. So, okay, it worked. I got the email now. Oh, Charles, yours went through. I have the email here. Yours went through. So check your email, check your spam box for the instructions on downloading your free course. And I'm going to show this to Jonal, who's my business partner and the tech guy. As a matter of fact, we're going to shoot a quick little video right now. We're going to text it over to him. Because that's how we do things. We do them here crazy. Ain't no policies and stuff. We just do them. So Jonal, this is what I'm doing right now. You can see my camera and my ring light. Charles here in chat is having trouble because he was trying to get the free course, and I went and I tried to do it with him step by step, and I got the same error that he got. However, when you come on over to the emails, Charles did come through here, and so did I right now. So something's up, man. You got to get in there and fix that, because that kind of like, it looks kind of scrubby, you know what I mean? Our website is too nice to have these errors. So please, bro, get in there and fix it. I'll text that to him right now. Boom. All right, so he'll fix that. Check your email, check your spam folder as well, okay? And if you have any issues and they're not in there, please email us, info@thedaytrader chatroom.com, and I'll make sure you get taken care of. Yeah, for sure, man. That one, it's the futures pre-sale. The course is already out fully, but the coupon code has not been removed because Jonal's been moving to a new house, and he's the one that does all the tech stuff. So he has not changed that discount code. That discount code will go away eventually. So if you want the futures course, I definitely suggest take advantage of that while it's there, because my man just moved all his stuff yesterday into the house. Today he's returning the U-Haul. So I am expecting him to fully get back to work next week, or I'm going to fire him. I fire him all the time, but can't get rid of him. He owns 50% of the business. Go figure. Sometimes we make errors in life. Nah, that's my little brother. Even though I hate him because he moved 5 hours away. That's what's up. Yeah, Vitali. Yeah, I just wanted to make sure I pronounced your name right. Yeah, they've been coming through in this level. This whole zone here is a pretty thick zone to get through. But, I mean, look, it could be my bias in that I want the markets to rip to 420. Not today, obviously, but over the coming days, I would love nothing more than see that, or at least get to 415 area, because I want to get some long-dated put options for a swing trade. I missed out on getting them last week because I thought after the FOMC meeting concluded, right, we would get a push to 420, 421. We did not. We sold off right after that. So, and then the banking crisis fear started again, and we went lower. So I'm hoping today is the first day of a nice solid bounce back that could take us into 420, 415, 420, and then 430. I would stop out of my swing trade over 430. And the thing with it is, I'm going to buy put options that are, months out. So I'm talking about probably January or March expiration date next year. So I can have plenty of time on my hands. I plan to hold this trade through the summer if I can get it. So we'll see. What am I going to lose on it if I'm wrong? Good amount, 50, 75%, 80%. I'll take a hit on it, right? But I'll size in so that if the loss comes, I'm comfortable with the loss. But if I'm right on the trade, you're talking about first take profit probably at about 100%. Second take profit probably at about 200 to 300%, and final take profit maybe in the 500% area. That's worth the risk to reward to me. Guys, make sure to hit that like button for me. Really helps out tremendously. And if you're new around here, subscribe to the channel. That way you know when I'm live, Monday through Friday. I'm going to start getting ready to wrap it up, I think, for the day. It's Friday after all. We already passed one eval. That gives us 2 funded accounts now. I think I earned a break, man. We worked hard this week. And I wouldn't have had so many technical issues last week with the computer, I think we would have been long done with that one. Or one of them, at least. So any last minute questions, guys? Throw them up in chat there. Otherwise, I'll start getting ready to head off into the weekend and relax. Again, guys, a little bit of background about me. For those of you who are new, I see a lot of new people in here today. Welcome. I've been trading for 7 years. I've been self-employed for nearly 20 years. So risk management is paramount for me. Like, it was one of the easier things for me to understand and learn when I started to learn to trade, because I was already familiar with managing risk as a self-employed person. I got now 2 funded accounts with the prop firm. I've traded my own money always. This is the first time I've ever traded for a prop firm. And it was because I wanted to see what it was like and then find a firm that I felt was comfortable for new traders. I don't have to sell courses or be on YouTube to make a living, thank God. I do it just for fun, but let's not get confused, right? I will market my course and I will market my YouTube, because at the end of the day, multiple streams of income are where freedom is found. All right. I got multiple investment properties and I run a couple of businesses. So that's a little background on me. Okay. Any questions, you guys can always reach out, info@thedaytraderchatroom.com, and on here on the chat. All right. I stream Monday through Friday. Thank you, Adriana. I appreciate it. I really do. And I love that I was able to do that with you guys here live. All right, guys, enjoy your weekends. All right, stay safe out there. Stick to your stop losses. Be careful. Market looks like it wants to continue going up, and that's great. But it could be a little bit more grindier, especially as the day progresses. I will keep an eye on it. No trades in the 250K account today. I will make sure to take at least one trade, even if it's just a small little scalp, just to keep that 10-day thing rolling. And then next week, Monday, we'll hit it hard. We'll see what we can get done with this one, all right? Any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you guys very much for tuning in and smashing that like button. I'll see you all Monday. Peace.